What's up YouTube? Crafting Cars here. Today we're here with Michael.
Hello, I'm Michael, and today I'll be showing you my 2005 Dodge Dakota SLT V8. Alright, so here she is. Obviously clean, mint, red paint job for 2005. It's got the 4.7 liter V8 in it. Truck boy. So you're on the car. So this is the clean side. Every car has a clean side. Clean, mint, tidied off it. The ass looks nice.
You got a tonneau cover on here too, don't you?
It's got a tonneau cover. I went fishing, I've already used her. So this actually pops up. Lots of cargo space. Alright. I'm new to these videos. One rust spot. Don't zoom in on the rust spot. And then it is a club cab, so it's got these suicide doors if you want to commit. I mean, it's pretty dang basic. I mean, if you look at the gauge cluster, it's like any Dodge, right? It's that red and silver aesthetic. The interior pretty basic. I mean, it's got, you know, volume control, radio. It's AM, FM radio with a disc. It doesn't have Bluetooth or anything, but it's got all the basics you need.
I noticed you only got 2 pedals down there.
Yep, it is an automatic.
Okay. Because it's a daily driver, right?
It's a daily, right? It's gonna be my winter car, and it's got 4-wheel drive. You can film right down there. 4-wheel drive option, lock and low.
Nice. And trailer?
Brake assist.
Trailer brake assist.
I'm gonna be hauling anything with electric brakes.
Nice.
Electric brakes. Pop the hood for you.
Wow.
Nice and quiet. Nice and clean. Biggest battery I've ever seen.
That's pretty big.
What do you say we take her for a spin?
Sounds good.
Are you filming? Mm-hmm. All right.
So here we go for a nice drive. Can already tell it's very nice and comfortable in the cab, very quiet.
It's very comfortable. It can fit 5 people. It's got, you probably can't see it in the view, but it's got this roll up, this little center console pops up, and you can put a seat there. Or a bed, bitch. I don't know if you can hear that V8.
How's the acceleration on this thing?
Acceleration is good. It's a little rainy out today, so it's hard to try to see the acceleration on it. If you look it up online, it's like 9.2 seconds 0 to 60. But she weighs like 4,500 pounds.
Yeah.
She's heavy. Alright, we're coming up to a stop sign, so I'll give her some beans here and listen. So, I mean, the tires broke loose. It's too front heavy, not heavy in the back. That's why I gotta load up the back with some sandbags.
This will be a winter car.
Yes.
But when the seats are gone, looks like you got storage for cooler and all that good stuff.
And it actually can lower. It's on bags for all the fat bitches that need to get in. Just kidding. They can't get in. It's a filter. Oh, I didn't realize you were there. All in all, thanks for taking a tour of my 2005 Dodge Dakota SLT. And stay tuned for some new car updates and new car reviews in the future.